Good afternoon to you that is in charge of this. I'll quickly introduce myself according to the question that was given for me to introduce myself in 2 minutes. First of all, I would like to say my name. My names are Mr. Dike Onuigbo. I am from the eastern part of Nigeria. Quickly, I would like to say that I am a member of the London Teacher Training Institute. Also, I'm a member of the Microsoft Innovative Educators. Also, I am an OCRO assessor. And finally, I have the examiner status with Cambridge. I am a graduate of mathematics and design technology, and I have been teaching for over 8 years, getting to the 9th year. This 2019 makes it the 9th year I have been teaching within a classroom setting. Quickly, I've had students all over the world. I've developed minds. I've been involved in this, and that is my drive over time. I am 32 years of age, and I grew up in Nigeria. And presently in Nigeria, I rose up to the best school in West Africa, judging from the West African examination standards and from Cambridge examination standards. So in all, I am a teacher who loves my job. Thank you.